Let's identify the colors. What is the color of the chick? Good. It is yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. What is the color of an umbrella? Yes, it is blue color. Blue color. What is the color of the watermelon? Good, it is red color. It is red color. What is the color of the grapes? Correct, it is purple color. Purple color. What is the color of this cat? Yes, it is black color. Black color. What is the color of these logs? Good. It is brown color. Brown color. What is the color of this polar bear? Very good. It is white color. White color. Do you know the color of this popsicle? Excellent. It is pink in color. Pink color. Can you tell me the color of this tree? Wow, it is green color. Green color. Do you know the color of this cone? You're great. It is orange color. Orange color. What is the color of this basket? Brown color. Good. It is brown color. Brown color. What is the color of this brinjal? Purple color. Very good. It is purple color. Purple color. What is the color of the banana? Yellow color. Good. It is yellow color. Yellow color. What is the color of these headphones? Black color. Hey, you got it. It is black color. Black color. What is the color of this piece? Green color. Very good. It is green color. Green color. What is the color of this pumpkin? Orange color. Hey, great. It is orange color. Orange color. What is the color of this pant? Blue color. Wow, you're right. It is blue color. Blue color. What is the color of the snowman? White color. Good, it is white color. White color. What is the color of this flower? Pink color. Good, it is pink color. Pink color. What is the color of this bug?
Red color.
Great, it is red color. Red color. Good children, you have all identified all the colors. You have done a good job. Thanks for watching.